In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of your mouse cursor disappearing on Windows. This can be a frustrating problem, but don't worry. I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First, let's try refreshing your display drivers. You can do this by pressing the Windows key along with Ctrl, Shift, and B all at the same time. Your screen might flicker briefly, but that's completely normal. It's simply a sign that your display drivers are being reset, which can often resolve the issue with the disappearing cursor. If that doesn't work, let's try the next step. Press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete simultaneously. This will open the security options screen. Look closely to see if your cursor reappears there. If it does, great. Just press the Escape key to return to your desktop and continue working. Sometimes, technical glitches can be a bit more stubborn. In such cases, a simple solution is often the most effective. Just go ahead and restart your computer. A reboot can clear up many temporary software glitches that might be affecting your mouse's behavior. If these basic fixes don't solve the issue, let's delve a little deeper. Open the Device Manager by pressing Windows and R together and typing dvmgmt.msc into the Run dialog box. Press Enter, and you'll see a list of all the devices on your system. Use the down arrow key to navigate to mice and other pointing devices. Press the right arrow key to expand this section. Now find your mouse or touchpad in the list. Once you've selected it, press Shift and F10 to bring up the context menu. From here, use the arrow keys to locate Update Driver and press Enter to start the update process. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to proceed. Updating your mouse driver can resolve many issues, especially if the driver has become outdated or corrupted. If updating the driver doesn't help, you may have to uninstall it. Again, using the arrow keys, select the Uninstall Device option and press Enter. After you've uninstalled the driver, restart your computer. Don't worry about not having a driver when you start back up. Windows will automatically detect the missing driver and reinstall it for you. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of your mouse cursor disappearing on Windows. If you're still having trouble, the problem might be hardware related, in which case contacting technical support would be the best course of action. Thanks for watching, and I hope these steps help you get back on track swiftly.